Hey beauties, today I'm going to be sharing some Amazon dresses and rompers that are so adorable but also very affordable. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra and I post lots of fashion and beauty content, all of which I always keep affordable. If you're bougie on a budget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I know you're gonna love it here because we are bougie on a budget as well. Hit that subscribe button and join the fam, and let's go ahead and get started with these dresses and rompers. Starting off with this romper style for just an everyday casual outfit. It is so cute. Before I get into it, I do want to share this phone case. It is like a crossbody handbag style phone case. How cute is that? I think it does also come in other colors, but this one is actually a silicone texture. I love all the detail that's in this. And then this actually does open up into a little pocket. You can keep your cards or cash or anything in there. The crossbody strap is actually removable, and you would think that this strap is impractical for just everyday use around the house, but it comes in handy so much, and it actually does help me not drop my phone, which is the main reason I wanted a purse style phone case. So I ordered this in my normal size medium. I'm not gonna say I would have sized down, because if I sized down it would have been really short. I do like the length, like the flowiness of the bottom. It kind of looks like a dress, but it's still a romper, which is more practical sometimes. The fabric is really nice. It's not see-through at all. I do have nude undergarments underneath though, but that's what I normally wear anyways. I am only 5'1". The waistband is actually really stretchy. The drawstring is really just there for presentation, but again, I do appreciate that it's stretchy. Pull it up like this, but I can also like pull it down so it's longer. But I usually just keep it up on my natural waistline. You could definitely dress this up with some heels and a cute little clutch and wear this out for date night, or even to like a baby shower or a bridal shower, you know, something that's like kind of dressy casual. Comes in other colors. You cannot go wrong with a classic white dress for the spring and summertime. I sized down to a small for this one, mostly because of length, and I'm really glad that I did because it actually fits me perfectly. Not too long, not too short, also not too wide. This one does kind of hug me a little bit more on the top. I've ordered some other ones that are just way too loose and oversized that it just does not look good. This one I definitely recommend. One of the better, more high quality ones that I found on Amazon. The fabric is more of like a stretchy cotton. It does also have a lining, which I appreciate, especially in a white dress. I just paired it with these braided sandals from Shein and this ring handbag. But you could definitely wear a baseball cap and tennis shoes. You could even do wedges and a cute little statement earring, I think would be super cute. This one is actually more of like a V-neck style. Soft, flowy, super cute. Comes in so many different colors and such a great basic. This jumpsuit is not new, but I had to include it in this video because I'm pretty sure this is one of my most favorite Amazon purchases. I wear this around the house. I wear this to run errands. You can dress this up with heels and wear this out on date night, or if you're going out with your friends, a nice dinner. Very, very versatile, super cute if you throw a denim jacket over too. But this has such a flattering fit, especially right here. It tends to just like smooth me out and highlight all the best parts that I want it to highlight. I really love this like dusty pink color. I think it's gorgeous. It has pockets. The waistline is super stretchy, and it does have a little button right in here. It did come with this waist tie, but I have no idea where it is. There's Wrangler again. But yeah, I'm 5'1". I really like the length. I think it's super flattering. Not gonna lie, I let Josh pick this one out. I was unsure about it just because it's strapless. I don't typically do anything strapless, but this one, I am not mad at it at all. I love this print. The fabric is a lightweight, flowy fabric. It's not see-through at all. I love that it has this ruffle here. It does have a super stretchy waistline and it's super stretchy right here. I really enjoy this. I think this is so cute for the spring, even with a white denim jacket. I think would be cute. Definitely for the summer with all the woven beachy vibes. I actually threw on these like woven earrings. I found, I think it was like a 6-pack of these woven earrings. It also had a tortoiseshell style and a big tassel style. So I will link those up as well, but dang, I'm feeling this outfit. Okay, I'm sure you guys have seen this print somewhere before. This print is all over Amazon, and honestly, for good reason. It's very, very pretty. I actually own another dress in this same print, but different color. I will share that one next, but let's talk about this one because it's new. I love that it's high-low. I can actually wear flats with this, so I really appreciate that. The waistline is also really stretchy. It does come with this removable tie. The top is also very stretchy right here. It does not cut into my funny either. And the straps right here are actually a self-tie. This handbag's from Shein. I just posted a handbags video. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. I will leave it in the description box. The colors are stunning. I did order this in my normal size and it fits perfectly. I love the detail that all these dresses have on the bottom. This one is actually lined from the top to right about here where that stitch is. It actually is a really nice fabric lining, super, super soft. The fabric of the dress is a gorgeous color. It's also really lightweight and flowy, perfect for the summertime. You could definitely style this with a denim jacket. So this is the second dress that has the print on this. They're not exactly the same print. This one does have a bigger floral throughout it, but very, very similar, just as gorgeous. I have had this for years, honestly. It is another one of my favorite Amazon purchases. I feel like Angelina Jolie with this leg out here, but look at how gorgeous these colors are. This is in my true size medium. I know that this comes in several different color options. This dress is actually a wrap dress, so it does have a tie that comes through right here and you wrap it around and tie it. I do like the split hem here, great for spring and summer. I love the flutter sleeve on this. I think it's very flattering. I also love how the print is detailed right here on the top. See how it has the detailed print right there, and then also the print along the bottom I think is so cute. Again, I've had this one for years. It's held up well. I don't take it to the dry cleaners or anything. I just throw it in the wash and the dry and it holds up well. The colors don't fade, and still absolutely love this dress. Do have several different style options in this print if you want like a short flowy dress or this wrap dress or even the high-low one. I think they're all very pretty. I will link all styles down below. Oh my gosh, how fun is this dress? I'm definitely taking this to the beach with us. It's a little long, take it to get altered, but it does hide my regular bra strap really nicely. I would probably still wear a strapless bra just because I'm particular like that, but I really like this. It definitely fits true to size. I like how it's more flowy on the bottom. It fits great throughout the arm area, and then the V-neck is really nice. These straps are not adjustable, but honestly, I don't even need to adjust them. It's like the perfect fit. The fabric is more of a stretchy, kind of like nylon fabric. fabric. This would be a great swimsuit cover up. You could even style it with heels and this little fedora hat. I did get this from Amazon as well. Really love this one. Had it for several years now. And even add on a belt and fold it over so it brings in your waist a little more. But yeah, everything about this is really, really cute. Oh my goodness. I actually had given y'all a preview of this dress in my fashion trends for spring and summer 2021 video. I just posted that. I will leave it in the description box below. I really, really love this dress. I actually own it in a marled gray color, but this brown one is new for spring and summer 21. First of all, I love that it's a thicker strap so I can wear it with a regular bra. It has a nice little V-neck. The fabric is so soft and stretchy, very, very comfortable. It's a really flattering length. I feel like on any height, whether you're tall or petite. The back does actually go a little bit longer than the front. This dress is so versatile. I can wear it around the house, just on a lounge day, dress it up for just a running errands kind of casual day, but also dress it up even more for a date night. That's actually what it looks like without the jacket. Really, really love it. I also wanted to share this option in the dip hem midi style dress. It's very similar, but also very different at the same time. This one has a drawstring tie and it also has pockets. I feel like this one is just a little bit more flattering in the midsection. It's similar with the wider straps and the V-neck. The fabric is not quite as soft. It's still a cotton kind of stretchy fabric. This one also is a little bit shorter. It's good for me because I am petite and the slit is also a lot higher. I just styled with this Faux Suede Moto jacket. This is from Amazon. I really, really love this one. Had this for years. I picked it up in my normal size medium and I really enjoy it. I have already shared this dress on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. But I wanted to share here because I wanted a style for just like every day. Again, black and white style together is super on trend and it's really easy. So I figured I would show you how I styled this dress with tennis shoes and a cute little baseball cap. I love these ruche side tulip hem style dresses. They're very popular at Nordstrom. They sell out like every year. But I also love finding them on Amazon. This one is actually really good if you are breastfeeding. It's also very flattering right here in the midsection. I wore these style dresses a lot when I was pregnant, show off the baby bump, you know, but I like this updated wrap top style version, so I wanted to share. I will also include the basic t-shirt style option. I have that one in the short sleeve. Again, you really can't go wrong with this type of dress. Super easy to dress up, also easy to dress down. I could tie a denim jacket around my waist. This is in my true size medium. I feel like it fits great. Super flattering. The fabric is a nice stretchy cotton. It's black, but it's still not see-through at all. And it does kind of have like a marled texture to it. So here is another Amazon basic you probably have seen before, but this blue color is updated for spring summer 2021. These sorbet or sherbet colors are super on trend. I really, really love this blue color. I also really like the tortoiseshell button detail. I think that is so cute. You could dress this up with some nude wedges, which I feel like I've showed you that outfit on my channel before. I just have these braided slip-ons, super comfortable. This is definitely something I would just throw on, run out of the house to run some errands. You know, just an easy breezy dress. I did order this in my normal size medium. I halfway wish I would have sized down just because the strap is all the way on the end and it does gap a little right here. So maybe size down if you are in between sizes. I know that this is not your typical spring or summer colored outfit, but I'm really digging this outfit actually. I also think that if you don't have a black oversized denim jacket, or you just didn't want to do black in the spring and summertime, you could totally style this with a regular oversized denim jacket, or even a white one I think would be cute. I just paired it with the infamous studded sandals from Walmart and my new little handbag from Shein. I did also talk about this one in my most recent handbags video. But anyways, we are here for the romper. Let me go ahead and take my jacket off. I really wish that this had pockets. That would make this romper so much better, but it's already really good. It is a ribbed fabric, very soft. It's more of a knit. And I really like this. I love the lettuce hem on the sleeves and on the shorts. I will say that I do kind of wish I sized up, just because it's a little short and I do kind of get a little self-conscious about that. Just keep that in mind if you are wanting to wear this like out and about, but also still be comfortable, because I feel like this might end up just being loungewear for me since it is so short. But I do really love the color. I do really love this. I might actually pick it up in a different color in a size up. Such a great basic color to style with anything. Other than it being short, it actually fits really nice. The waistband is super stretchy and the waist tie is there just for decoration. Super soft and comfortable. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed all the dresses and rompers that I shared today. I have a serious addiction to Amazon fashion, so if you did enjoy those items and you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss more of my Amazon hauls. I'm also really addicted to Walmart fashion too, and I build head-to-toe outfits in all my Walmart/Amazon videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye bye.